welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys a small, very tiny Walmart haul. This is all Easter stuff, and as of this morning, so I will be uploading this video today, so it will be fairly current time of this morning. I went to Walmart and saw that their Easter stuff was 90% off. And when I'm saying it was a killer deal. I bought a lot. I bought a ton of things for very inexpensive. However, this one sign that I'm going to show you guys, I got it at 50 off because I knew deep down my heart, you know, when you get that hunch that when you come back, it's not going to be there. That's exactly what happened with this sign. And I fell in love with it, so I could not leave it behind. And I purchased it a couple of days ago, I think Thursday or Friday, and it was 50 off only. So it's really big. It's this huge sign. It's a garden sign basically, and it says egg hunt. Let me see if I can do it this way. And let's try to move it away from the stuff. Oh my gosh. Okay. It says egg hunt. It has these little eggs back here, and I love the truck, so that's the reason why I purchased it. I got it for, it was $7.90, so 50 off, maybe like $3.50, maybe $4 tops. But I could not pass it. I knew that this was not going to stay there for too long for the 90 off, so I just grabbed it as quickly as I can. I will be altering this. Don't believe it's going to stay Easter for too long. It might just go into my regular home decor piece. I will be taking the eggs off and painting the truck a different color. But then again, I might or might not. I definitely don't like the wheels. They look like the Target sign, just not in red, and this is black. If it's red, it will start looking like the Target sign. So I didn't really like it that much, so that will definitely be altered. But I will definitely come on here and show you guys what I do with this sign, and I'll be using this part of it for another DIY for the outside of my house. So stay tuned, and if you have not done so, hit the subscribe button so you guys know exactly what I do with this piece. It's going to be a lot of fun. So I will come on here and do probably a full tutorial on how I deconstruct and reconstruct, basically. That was a good one. Deconstruct and reconstruct, huh? The next one is this little, and I have a feeling my dog is gonna bark. Or maybe not. It's this little sign. Let me push this back. Sorry, I'm doing it on my floor. And it says, welcome. And I really liked it. However, the colors are really bright, so I will probably just mute the color down and leave everything the way it is. So this might just stay for Easter because it is bunnies. Christmas doesn't do bunnies, so. And this was only 68 cents because it's 90 off. So I literally picked this up for 68 cents. Isn't that so pretty? I just love it. They didn't have two of them, or else I would have purchased two for my basement door and upstairs door, but they only had one left, so I grabbed it. The next thing is these two signs. They're identical, and I'm glad I found two of these. It says egg hunt right there, Jelly Belly Lane, and Easter Bunny. One of them I think I'll definitely leave for Easter. I might do something different to it. However, this one will get deconstructed. I will be using the bunny face and the eggs for a different Easter project, and I might, yet again, convert this into a Christmas banner maybe, or a Christmas wreath or something Christmassy. I believe I will be doing with this. And this was only, oh, where's the tag? 49 cents right there. So pretty much two for $1. I even beat Dollar Tree on this one. Yeah, that's awesome. This one I found and I just really love it. I don't know what it is about it. It just says Happy Easter. But for some reason, this bunny is really chubby and adorable. And I really, really like it. So, again, I might be taking it apart and using this for another project because I'm currently working on a project and I need a hanger for it. So I thought that I could take this apart and do something with it and then use the eggs and the bunny and chick for something different for Easter, obviously. Again, 68 cents. So awesome, awesome deal. The next two are these ones right here. And I tried picking up 2 of each because I know that once the sale has been on for a little bit, they're going to run out. And I will probably kick myself in the butt for not purchasing multiples. So I can work, if I deconstruct, I can still have 1 for decor, 1 for my playtime, creative playtime. So I really like this one. It has a bird's nest. It says everybody loves you. I love this metallic bunny figurine, and I've been looking for one and can never find it. So I thought, perfect, I can deconstruct it, remove all of this stuff off of it, repaint this, write something else on it, take the bird's nest, use it for something else, and just pretty much deconstruct all the wire leaves and everything and the banner and use it for something completely different. I don't know what yet, but something different. And then it has a window, a wooden window kind of frame. So I really like this piece. This piece I think I kind of scored on. And it was 79 cents. Not bad, again. So I did purchase 2 of them. One I'm probably going to keep as is for Easter. One will be deconstructed and made into multiple things, because I can really see myself using these bits and pieces for multiple items, even for Christmas maybe. This bunny, I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet, but Easter just passed. I got plenty of time for next Easter. So I will be brainstorming. But yes, I really, really like this piece. This was my favorite find. When I went for the 15 or the 50% off, I did see them there, and I just could not get myself to pay $4 for it, knowing that it would go on sale, and they had a ton of them left over. So I was safe in leaving that one behind. And sure enough, I scored today. The next thing I purchased are these wooden tags. And guys, these were 16 cents. If I find the tag, I can show you right there. $1.64 regular price. I got them for 16 cents. I was going to pick up all of them, but then I was like, don't be greedy. I'm not going to act like I'm a greedy hog here. So I left some behind for people to pick up. But this one says Hello Easter, and this one says Easter Egg Hunt. Once again, they're not going to stay the same. I will be probably painting them. I'm thinking of using one for Christmas, definitely this year, for a magical key for my door. When I do it with either one of these tags, I will definitely come on here and show it to you guys. So I'm definitely going to keep one maybe for Easter. One of each for Easter, and then one each for maybe Christmas, Thanksgiving, not sure yet. But 16 cents, couldn't pass that. I might go back to Target and see if, or Walmart, sorry, this is a Walmart haul, and see if they have more. If they do, then I'm probably going to pick up quite a few of them. If they still have them, I'm giving people a chance to go buy it. So don't hate me if I go back and pick everything up. This one I thought was really cute. So I will be creating maybe like a banner out of these. They're pretty good size eggs. I mean, this is my hand. Look at the size of that. That's bigger than my hand. So it's a pretty decent sized egg. And one I might just leave the bunny on. I bought all blue, so I bought 4 of them. And they're all blue. And I think they had either a green one or a yellow one. I don't remember. I think it was green. I want to say like a moss green color. So I I didn't pick the green. I just kind of picked blue just in case if I don't want to alter them. If I change my mind and I really want to keep them the way they are, blue goes with my home decor more than the green would. So that's why I purchased all blue. But I might go back and get the green and alter them. But this is my small haul for today. I just had to get on here, show you guys what I purchased from Walmart for 90% off. Like, all of these put together, the price was probably only worth one of these pieces, maybe right here, just which was $8. I think I even got everything for cheaper than that. So huge savings. If you guys want to go purchase them and just stock them for next year, even if you don't alter them, just for decor, they are very, very cute, very colorful, very festive. So I would definitely go and see your Walmarts around you guys and see if they have them on sale. If you did enjoy this haul video, please hit the like button. And do not forget to subscribe to see what I come up with for these pieces. They will be upcoming projects. Maybe I'll probably do like a series in July, Christmas in July kind of thing. Because I already know my Christmas theme, what I'll be doing. Isn't that sad? We haven't even hit summer yet, but oh well. So do stay tuned for that by hitting the subscribe button so you you know that I'm uploading videos. Hit the bell button for that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and run to your Walmart for 90% off. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.